let her go, cause she can't arrest me. Walk up with my toolie, what they do? Meet me in the alley with the troops.
Hey yo, what is going on guys? Boy Days and welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the female school trooper skin in game in Fortnite Battle Royale. And I don't know if you guys can get banned for this, but if you do, I'm not responsible for it. This is for educational purposes only. But before we get into this video, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn the post notifications bell on if you don't want to miss these kind of videos. I post Fortnite tutorials, glitches, exploits, hacks, and all that stuff. So if you don't want to miss them, make sure to subscribe and turn the post notifications bell on. And with that being said, let's go right into it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do guys is that you're going to download this program. It is called umodel. It is going to be in the description down below, the first link. So once you clicked on the link, you're just going to install umodel, and once you have it, you're going to open it up and then this will pop up. So once you're here, you're going to locate your Fortnite game. For me, it's on this PC, and then here, and then Epic Games, Fortnite game content packs, and then you're going to click on OK, override game detection, Unreal Engine 4, and then the latest update, which in my case is the 420. And then you're going to click on OK, and then you're gonna go to the second link in the description and you're gonna download this. It's a code, and you're just gonna copy it and paste it into here, then click on OK. And now as you guys can see, this has opened. So from here you're just gonna go to content, characters, player, male, medium, bodies, med soldier 04, skins, and now beneath the galaxy skin we can see the HW01. It is the school trooper skin. So if I go to materials and click on it, you can see that this is the school trooper. You're gonna click on O on your keyboard to go back. And then if you go to textures, you can see it even better. As you guys can see, this is the school trooper. So once you're here, you're gonna go to materials, and then you're gonna type this code into here, which is med soldier 04 HW01, and then you're gonna click on flat view. So this is the code you're gonna need. So I've already wrote it down. If you want to download this code, it is gonna be in the description as well, the third link. So as you guys can see, this is the code I just found. But you're gonna remove Fortnite game content characters. You're gonna start at player, and then as you guys can see, it ends after the 01. But I added this at the end. You have to do that to match the path files. So all you guys really need to do is just to copy this code and then put a dot right here and just paste it after. And I did the same with this skin. So I'm gonna replace the dazzle skin with the female school trooper skin because I have the dazzle skin but not the school trooper skin. It works with any skin that has more letters than the school trooper, because then you can just add zeros to the end so it matches the other one, so it has the same amount of characters. Now I'm just gonna find the dazzle skin, so I'm just gonna open up umodel and paste this into here. So as you guys can see, it comes a lot of codes here. So I want the bodies, and as you guys can see, it says textures here. I don't want that, I want materials. So this is materials. So I'm just gonna write this code down from starting with player, and I've already done it as you guys can see. So this is the code, and I did the same. So this is how it's gonna look for you guys, like this. But for this to work, you need to copy this last code and then just put a dot right there and just paste it again, and that's the full code. So this is the dazzle skin code, and this is the school trooper skin code. Now what you're gonna want to do is that you're gonna click on the fourth link in the description down below, and you're gonna copy this code, which in my case is the dazzle, and click on encode text to hex code. Once you've done that, it will get this code. So you're just gonna copy this and go into your documents and just paste it beneath it. So as you guys can see, I've already done it. After that, you're gonna do the same with the school trooper. So you're just gonna copy this code and paste it in the fourth link and click on encode text to hex code. This is where it gets a bit of tricky. So you're just gonna copy this code, go back to the notepad, and let's just remove this for the video. Alright, just like that. Then you're gonna paste it, and as you guys can see, this one has more characters than the school troopers. So for it to work, you need to add zeros to the end so it matches and has the same amount of characters. So now as you guys can see, it has the same amount of characters. Once you've done that guys, you're gonna copy this code, but you're not gonna include this last code with the dot. So you're just gonna copy this and paste it under the school trooper skin, and then you're just gonna translate it again as I did in the fourth link. And then you're gonna do the same with this one. You're gonna copy this code without the dot and the last code. You're gonna copy it and paste it beneath the dazzle skin, and you're gonna translate this code into hex code. Once you've done that, you're gonna do the same with this code. You're gonna add a bunch of zeros for it to match. So once you've done that guys, you're gonna open up HXD. This is a program. It will be in the description down below. You probably already have this because of my recent videos. So now you're gonna click on this icon right here, and then you're gonna find your Epic Games, which in my case is right here. Epic Games Fortnite game content packs, and then you're gonna open up pack junk 0 windows client.pak, and then click on Control R, and then this will pop up, or you can just click on search and then replace. Now you're gonna copy the first code and paste it into here, and copy the second code and paste it into the second one. Then you're gonna make sure that the data type is on hex values, and click on all and prompt on replace, and then click on replace all. Now this is gonna take about 30 seconds, and I'll be back when it's done. All right, and then this will pop up. Then just click on all, and then you're gonna click on OK and go into the text document and copy the third code, and click on Control R and paste it into here, and remove the second one, and copy the last code and paste it into here. Make sure that the first one is the one you currently have, which in my case is the dazzle, and the second one has to be the one that you want. Then you're gonna click on all, prompt on replace, and then replace all. Now this will not include the head. If you want to include it, comment down below and I'll make a video about it. All right, so you're just gonna click on all, let it load about 5 seconds. All right, boom, there you go. Now you're just gonna click on OK and click on save. Now this is gonna take about 1 minute. When it's done, you're just gonna load up Epic Games and just launch Fortnite. Once you've done that, you'll have the skin. If you messed up something, if the game crashes, then just open up Epic Games and just click on this button right here and hit verify, and that will reset everything to normal. All right, so I'll be back when it's done. All right, so let's see if we have the skin. All right, so if we click on dazzle, we can see that we have the female school trooper unlocked in our locker. And by the way, this works in game, so don't worry. As you guys can see, it looks awesome. So I'm just gonna use it in game to show you guys that it works. All right, so I'm just gonna leave the short gameplay on, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like if you did, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.